Hey everybody, welcome back to the Silly channel. Tonight I'm not going to be silly, I'm going to be trying to trace down an electrical gremlin. Y'all remember gremlins? Them weird things right there, I see them. I got one. Signal lights are not working. This is of course the 86 Mustang. This is not the Euro front end. This is the old 4i, last year the 4is. The other night I did have a burnout bulb. So we're going to check right here first because I had to pull that out, pop the screw, pull the side marker light out, and do that. But I have no signal lights. I put a new fuse in, it blows the signal. It blows that fuse as soon as I turn them on. So we're going to go with that. We're going to pull them out, make sure there's got something going on right there. But we're going to pull them out, make sure that there's no skint wire or anything right in there first before I do anything else, because that's the last thing I did. So that's where I want to start. My radio's doing a little flash or something. I'm not sure what's going on there. Hopefully it's not a bad radio. Hopefully it's just, you know, I just did the radio install. Maybe I should have let Camaro Man do it. But anyway, I'm going to undo the radio just to go ahead and get my signal lights. I got to have my signal lights more than I got to have the radio. I'll figure the radio out later. That's no big deal. So let's dig in and see if it's either a relay behind the glove box, because I did take that out to run speaker wires, or it's going to be a skint wire, or it's going to be the switch itself going bad. We're going to try and diagnose it from here back to the switch and see what happens, since this is the last place I worked. Let us begin. Alright, here's a shot for my brother-in-law Tony. Thank you, or the whole family, whoever bought me this for Christmas. It is a just basically a cordless screwdriver. So yes, I am using it. Thank you so much. Okay guys, I have pulled the lens cover, because I didn't mess with the front ones. I don't think it's down there. It's either going to be right here. But what I'm doing, I'm going to go up in there and just look for skinned wire, as the non-southerners say. I say skint, and I have a bad habit, and I know I've seen Steve Saleen at different Mustang shows, and I know he likes his name to be pronounced the way it's supposed to be pronounced, Saleen. But I say Steve Saleen because I'm from over here in North Carolina in the deep south. People know where I'm from whenever I go around. So, because of my accent, they're like, "You're from Beulaville, North Carolina, ain't you?" And I'm like, "Yeah, did it give it away?" But there's people we can actually tell, like 20 miles away, you can tell different people here. But anyway, what I'm doing, I'm looking for skinned marks, any bare wire showing, because up inside the hole in there, that is metal, right where that wire goes through. So I was scared it had rubbed a hole in it, but I don't see anything there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on, now that I've got the wires in a different place, I'm going to turn these wires on, these lights on, put a new fuse in, and we'll see if they work. And if they work and don't go out, then I'm going to think it was something touching here, and I'll investigate further. If they do go out, then I'll know it's a wire. But if they don't, then I got to start looking at whatever's behind the dash. I may have done something there whenever I was doing the radio. I pulled the glove box out to get the wires back through there. There's a little relay in there from what I understand. So let's find out. We're going to go turn the lights on and see what happens. Guys, it appears I may have just misdiagnosed my problem. Like I say, these are on. I still don't have any signal lights. Guys, here's what I'm finding. That is the signal light fuse, just 15 that my thing is touching. It is working on the left. If you can see that, I can feel that clicking. That is a relay switch. Clink, clunk. I can feel it as I'm touching it. I can feel the vibration. Right now I'm just testing those. I'm not testing them, I'm touching them. That right there is also something, could be wrong, but I put that blue fuse in. Everything's working. You can see my test light bulb. It's doing good on both sides. That's left signal. Now, we'll switch over to right signal. We're getting right up the front, getting right on the rear. There. So no problems. The other day when I turned it on, it blew that fuse right off the bat. Somebody, I'll guarantee you somebody's watching is laughing at me because this ding dong don't know what he's doing. I had the car 27 years. I don't even know if that worked with the signal light or not. It's not working with the signal light right now, but that's parking lights on, signal light on is what I've got going on here. The parking light, that one's on. I'm going to put this back in the housing, put it back in place, screw it down. If everything stays good, I'll be happy. Maybe this is just a false alarm. We'll find out. All right, here I am back under the fuse box. All right, I'm back under the fuse box. You can hear the signal light. There's the fuse. There's the relay, whatever you want to call it. It is working left or right. The radio is undone. So we're gonna find out. I've got the radio run to a different fuse here, and I'm gonna get rid of that and hook it to a hot wire under the dash somewhere, get it away from this fuse box, just because that's the right thing to do. So I'm gonna plug the radio in and see if the signal lights stay working, and see if that's maybe an issue. Now that my lights are back in the housing, and it's still working, so we know it's not a skint wire. That's good news. And we're gonna find out if the radio is the issue. Okay, I pulled out the wires, checked it. I mean, you've seen what I did. I've got everything turned off right now. I took the radio off the fuse box. I just had a jump wire run in there, the one of the hot sides on the fuse box, but I'm gonna run it somewhere else and get it hot on a whole different place, just get it away from that fuse box. And signal lights are working. I don't know if it was a bum fuse, if there was something touching somewhere. Maybe that relay I may have bumped it whenever I was under there messing with the radio and wiring it in. Who knows? But the gremlins seem to be gone, so bye-bye. Get gone, little gremlins. Bye-bye. Hopefully that's the issue. Everything's gone. I got the belt for that smog pump that's down in there, and I am going to get on that, but you know, it gets dark quick, and I like being with the family a little bit in the nighttime. And on Saturdays, I'm going off to car shows a lot lately. But anyway, we're going to get on that. So, if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you didn't like this video, hit the like button anyway, just out of sarcasm. All right, appreciate it. God bless you all. Peace.